Wow. I don't know what this is, but it's big. Oh yeah. Dude, it's rip and drag like crazy. Well, another one. Two of them. They're fighting over it. Got him. Man, these bluegill fight, dude. Oh, that's a big perch, bro. I caught lunch. I got lunch, son. Yeah. I gotta throw him out there so he don't go down the hole. There you go. Oh, hooked into my leg. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got a little school right here. Oh, I got him. Big old bluegill, man. That's all I'm getting. Bluegill after bluegill. Oh man. What the hell did I do with my pliers? There they are. There he goes. Bye-bye, bluegill. Back down the hole, son. He can't find it. I'll help you. There you go. He's down there. I gotta find the perch, man. That's all I keep getting is bluegill. Oh, nice crappie. Ooh, splashed me in my face. Just got a nice crappie. Yeah. Not bad. Getting a lot of marks down there right now, so let's get this Z Viper back down there. Ooh, something's coming up after already. Got him. Oh, he's around the deucer. Little bluegill. There he goes. Little baby guy. Looks like we got more down there too. Oh, here comes something right now. Got it. Something come right off the bottom here. Ah, little bluegill. Went after the Z Viper. Little baby. Put him back. Big mark coming right up. Hot. Bam. Got him. Measure around the deucer. Perchy. There he goes. small perch. There he goes. Little guy. Let him go. I'm gonna go more towards the middle.
I just fucking missed a big hit.
Did you?
He tasted it. He tasted it. What do you got?
I got a few.
That's a fucking big one right there.
Yeah. There's a little guy.
Too.
Got a couple big ones. I got this guy.
You know what I was just thinking?
That big guy.
It's gonna be hard to fucking fillet because they're all fucking frozen.
Yeah. Soak them in the water.
Yeah.
Yep. Got him. Oh. There we go. Big old crappie. Big old crappie. Should I be keeping these big guys? All right. Got him. Another crappie. Another crappie. So that's how they play. Right on it. When he bite it. Here he is. He got it that time. Probably another big crappie. That's what it feels like. Just a little perchy. Just a baby perch. We're not going to eat him. He's too small. You're too small. Ah, dang, got me with that little side gill. Man, they're good at aiming those things, I tell you. They take them little side gill plates that they flare out there and they aim them at you like little freaking ninja stars. Yeah, I got fish down there again. I don't know if you guys can see that, but nice green marks down there. So we'll put another spike on there and see if we can get a bigger one. Let's get this guy in there. Oh, there we go. This guy came out of nowhere. I don't know what he is. Oh, nice big perch. Heck yeah, that'll be lunch right there. Nice big perch. There we go. Pretty big guy, not bad. I'm gonna introduce him to the grease later. Well, at least we know there's a big old perch down there. That's pretty cool. And if this don't work, I'm gonna throw that chartreuse thing on it. I think this rattle trap Z Viber might work. Might work. I don't know. Oh, he's coming in after that. Pretty good. He might be thinking that's actually worth a meal here. Oh, he did. He took it. Oh my God, that was that big crappie. Big old crappie right here. Nice size. We'll throw him out there. So that's what they wanted, I guess. He wanted this Z Viber. Hopefully it's a perch. Oh, man. That was a big mark too.
Yep, same here. He chased it up.
Oh, I got him. Yeah, it's a good one, dude. He's pulling drag. It's gotta be a... Oh my God, dude. Big old perch. Whew. Dude was pulling drag, bro. Tight lip too. I can't even get that shit out. Man, he's pissed. This is the most pissed off perch I ever seen in my life. He's trying to stab me with everything he's got. I can't get this hook out. It's right there. There we go. Whew. Big old perch. Yep. Wow. Got me again. This guy just keeps stabbing me. Go out the hole. That took way too long to get him off. Got him. Nice. Nice perch. Nice perch. Why, you hungry? Wow. I don't know what this is, but it's big. Oh yeah. Dude, it's ripping drag like crazy. Yep. Oh my God, what is it? Oh my God, dude. It's a big one. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's ripping drag like crazy. Oh my God, what is it? Yo, dude, you gotta get over here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a bass. Nice bass, bro. Oh. Bro, it's a nice bass. Dude, they're out here deep.
Bro.
That's a nice bass, dude.
Oh my God.
It's heavy.
That's what I'm getting.
That thing's solid. See how heavy that is.
Dude, he is solid, bro.
Look at that bass. That's nice. Dude, I'm like, what is this? It just keeps running. Nice bass.
What did you catch him on?
This one right here. A Swedish pimple, silver. The little red thing on the end.
Yeah.
I'm out here at 16 feet, dude.
It sucks. I'm fucking anchored down. That's nice, dude.
It's a nice bass. Nice bass. Yeah. Big old perch. Hey, Tori. Are you bringing them fish home? Because I just got another big fat perch. Plus I got more at my last hole that I forgot about. Huh? All right. Decent mark. Oh, geez, it's coming in hot. Got it. That guy really wanted it. Wow, that's a big bluegill. That's a big bluegill right there. That's a slab. He's big. Oh, there he goes. That's a big one. Get him down the hole. Ooh. Damn, dude. I got a little tiny pink fucking tube. Like I got a real small pink tube. Yeah. Fucking as soon as I dropped it down there, dude, big old perch came in and slammed it. Oh, shit. Yeah, if you want one, I got more.
I just threw a live minnow on a daredevil.
Whoa. There we go. Another bluegill. Fatty too. He's a fat one. Look at the size of the belly on that thing. Oh, easy there, fella. They're so hard to get out of these little mouths. There we go. They're biting like crazy over here. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day. We caught quite a bit of fish. We caught a lot of perch, some bass. My buddy's gonna take the perch home and cook them up. But it's getting dark out, so we're gonna pack it up, call it a day. Fish are still biting pretty good. Hate to leave, but I've been using a Swedish pimple. That's what I've been catching most of my fish on today, and calling them in with the Z Viber. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and please subscribe if you haven't. And have a good day, you son of a fish.